guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be telling you and showing you how to earn money and start a business using Amazon new merch on demand system. So I'll tell you what it is and how you can start making money from this business. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so let's head on to the website right here. So what Amazon merch on demand is a on-demand printing service where Amazon prints for you. They handle shipping as well, and all you have to do is bring traffic or customers basically to your store or your product, or basically your design of shirt. And then whenever a customer orders it, they handle everything. They just like print it real quick and then send it out. So all you have to do is just bring the customer. So let's look at the website. So you'd like to go to merch.amazon.com, or just search up Amazon merch on demand. And then you can do this with other on-demand printing services, but Amazon is a big company that you can most likely trust. And yeah, but you can do this with other things as well, so don't limit yourself if you would like to try other things. But yeah, and then we can see here, first what you do is upload your artwork and then set a list price, and then they print it when it's sold, and then they ship, and then you start earning money. So here it says how does it work. So simply upload your artwork, choose a product type and color, add a product description, and then they'll create a product page on Amazon. So it's going to be listed on Amazon most likely. And then they buy your products and they handle printing, shipping, and even customer service with no upfront costs. So you don't have to pay them. You could just basically start this design and like product right away without paying anything, which is really great in my opinion. So you don't have to have money. All you have to do is just market. So if you have, like, let's say a social media following, you have like a lot of followers, just make a design real quick and then share it on your story or create a post, blog, whatever, where people can like look at it and maybe click on it and buy it. But however, if you're not a social media influencer, don't worry, there's other ways you can earn money with this. So what you have to do is get traffic one way or another. So you can do like Facebook ads, Instagram ads if you know how to do those, or you can do like a super popular design. Like, let's say your audience is gamers, like they love Minecraft. So find like a Minecraft YouTuber, like small one, or TikToker or whatever, pay them to create an ad, and then you can start earning money when they like order stuff like merch and stuff. And then to design, you can use Photoshop, whatnot, and like design it your own way if you know, or if you have a friend that knows how to like design a good design basically to be printed on the shirt that will be on your shirt. If you don't have a friend, that's also not a problem. You can go on to Fiverr and outsource it. So you just send it to the design to the person that's gonna like design it and whatnot, or what you would like to design. Or if you don't want to pay at all, you can even use one of the new AIs like Midjourney or DALL-E 2, where you can tell or say specific stuff to create a design or image. So let me log into DALL-E 2. So I'll just say Minecraft C. And then it'll start loading. Wait for that. You can also use Midjourney. That's another AI that can, create a design. So I don't really like these. That's not Minecraft Steve, but this goes so far. You can play around with this until you can get it good. But yeah, this is just one way. If you have another idea, you can use that. There's like many different ways you can create designs. You might be able to even use Canva to create a design, which is a free design tool. And you can create other stuff on this as well, but say t-shirt. click on t-shirt templates and then go to t-shirt templates, and yeah, you can start creating designs to be put on your t-shirt that you like. And yeah, that's how you can start selling t-shirts and starting your own t-shirt business or clothing apparel. This is a great way because it's on demand. You don't have to have a machine, inventory, workers even like that know how to print the t-shirt or use a machine if you're focused on other work. All you have to do is just have a design and traffic, so the marketing and designs on you. Everything else is handled by Amazon, and of course they probably take like a fee, but you set your price according to that and like do whatever. But yeah, like you can start selling t-shirts if you like, or try like a new side hustle as a new side hustle. But yeah, that's like pretty much all there is, all I can say about it. And if you like to try this, let me know how it goes in the comments if you do try it. But yeah, I'd say this is a great opportunity. And let's look at the other stuff. Amazon Merch on Demand. Like these brands use, well, I didn't know this, but yeah, these brands use Amazon on demand printing, like game Overwatch, Dr. Seuss, Universal, game Fortnite, Marvel even. So they just source it or outsource it to Amazon to do all the printing, which is really good. I didn't know that. But that's pretty much all there is to it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys start making money. Then yeah, good luck.